Vamos lá começar mais uma gameplay, galera. De Dragon Ball Z Kakaroto. Sejam todos bem-vindos a mais uma gameplay. Peço para deixar o like, quem estiver vendo pelo YouTube. Quem estiver vendo pela Twitch também, acompanhe aí. Sempre ao vivo eu estou na Twitch, entenderam? E quem quiser participar da comunidade servidor de Discord meu, também link abaixo na descrição. E vamos lá começar mais uma da onde nós parou, o treinamento. Eu lembro que nós estava treinando Goku e Vegeta na forma Super Saiyajin Deus. Aqui, galera, a gente vai começar a DLC do a segunda parte da DLC do Despertar dos Deuses, eu acho. Então, peguem a pipoca, sentem na poltrona onde vocês estiverem, ou pelo celular acompanhando, não importa. Curtam pra caramba a gameplay, é isso aí. Vamos lá, começar o novo Despertar parte 2. Um misterioso indivíduo chamado Whis. Esse eu não vou ler, leia aí. Vamos como tá a comunidade.
Let's train. What do you say?
Vamos treinar um pouco antes. E o Super Saiyajin. Calma aí. Opa! Vamos começar, galera. Vamos lá, estão preparados? Começar a segunda DLC. O que é essa? Goku e Vegeta alcançaram o poder de um deus com a transformação do Deus Super Saiyajin e continuam treinando, se esforçando ainda mais. Em outro lugar, um vilão voltou dos mortos, cedendo de vingança, se dirige à Terra. Vamos lá. Depois de sofrer uma derrota humilhante nas mãos de Goku no planeta Namekusei, Freeza voltou consciente de vingança. Treinou e agora dirige-se para a Terra. Enquanto isso, Goku e Vegeta estão passando pelo próprio treinamento do planeta de Bills, buscando atingir um poder além de um Deus Super Saiyajin. Certo. Recapturando, né?
Upon yourself, Freeza. Though I have to admit I didn't see it ending quite like this.
'Cause you Saiyan.
Maldito Saiyajin.
I'm going to make my way back to Earth. You can stay here and suffer the same fate as this planet.
I beg you. Please have mercy. Please have mercy.
Please,
I beg you.
How can you beg for mercy? How many people begged you for mercy before you slaughtered them? How many?
I beg you.
Oh.
I've given you just a little bit of my energy. That's all you get. You're on your own.
I am the greatest being in the universe. And that is why you must die by my hand!
Yabaye. Oh no. Já era. Recapitulando o flashback do passado. Olha o Freeza aí.
Curse him! Curse that wretched Saiyan!
Foi humilhante, né? Ele não aceita essa derrota.
The mortal enemies known as Freeza and Goku had once fought to the death on the planet Namek. During their epic showdown, Goku's anger triggered something. It awakened the Super Saiyan transformation, which helped him defeat the terrible tyrant Freeza. With Goku having defeated Freeza, it was believed the two fighters would never again cross one another's paths. But that was not the case. Having been brought back to life with the use of Earth's Dragon Balls, Freeza lived once again. He now sought vengeance against the Saiyan who'd humiliated him. Determined to exact his revenge, Freeza gathered his forces, also brought back using the Dragon Balls, and set out to accomplish his new mission. In preparation for the battle, Freeza subjected himself to intense training and attained immense power. Mere moments before the Freeza Force were to arrive on Earth.
Chegar à Terra.
The time for vengeance has finally arrived. Now then, let's pay Goku's beloved Earth a visit, shall we?
Freeza. Depois de sofrer uma derrota humilhante nas mãos de Goku no planeta Namekusei, Freeza voltou com sede de vingança. Treinou e agora dirige-se até. Enquanto isso, Goku e Vegeta estão passando pelo próprio treinamento no planeta de Bills, buscando atingir um poder além de um Deus Super Saiyajin. Ah, sim. Eu sei qual é o Deus Super Saiyajin Blue.
Goku and Vegeta continue their own intense training under the watchful eyes of Whis on Beerus's planet. The two warriors are eager to push the Super Saiyan God form to even greater heights.
I believe that will do for today. I must say, you two have made considerable progress with respect to movement, but your speed still needs work.
Still needs work.
Ainda
You're
precisa
still
trabalhar
relying
mais?
far too much on your head. This habit is especially strong with you, Vegeta.
You really do like to overthink everything, Vegeta.
Shut up! You're only thinking less because you're an idiot!
Shut up.
Perhaps you've noticed, but you always manage to be one step behind Goku. Do you know why that is? You're far too tense, making it more difficult for you to fight at your full potential. You need to relax more, like Goku.
You just had to bring that up, didn't you?
Goku, you, on the other hand, are overconfident. Let your focus waver and you're doomed to fail.
What?
We'll work on conquering these shortcomings of yours as we continue
What?
your training.
All right, just gotta focus. Focus.
Well,
Focus,
I
focus.
think that's enough rest for now, wouldn't you agree? Shall we continue your training?
Yeah,
As the two of you have unique needs in your training, what do you say we do this one at a time?
you got it. You know, I actually prefer doing it this way.
You won't get any complaints from me.
Oh my, you two really don't get along, do you? I can't imagine why that is. Now then, let's start things off with you, Goku.
Woohoo! Too bad for you, Vegeta.
Makes no difference. Go ahead, I'm gonna surpass you anyway.
This is awesome! I'm gonna get loads stronger.
Vamos lá. Uou! Não pode trocar, né? Vamos pegar orbes aqui também. Dun, dun, dun. Vamos lá, galera. Ué. Vamos começar o treinamento aqui com isso.
Not as strong. Don't get cocky. Training first won't give you an advantage.
Very well. I should warn you that...
You're only making me more...
Marvelous.
Amigo.
This is the regimen I've prepared for you.
Antes de tudo, vamos começar o treinamento aqui pra ver se eu dominei o Super Saiyajin Deus. Mergulha! Uou! Vai, Goku, rápido! Isso!
Have you gotten all of your affairs in order then?
Superando a fraqueza. Sim.
Now then, let's have you break through the walls.
Vamos lá.
Try to imagine yourself capable of more than you are now. Too many gaps.
You're one tough guy, Whis.
Opa!
Your training won't end unless you truly fight with the intention to defeat me. What do you think of this?
Tá fraco,
What do
hein?
you think of this? What do you think? Good. Let's end things here for now.
Yes!
Wonderfully handled, Goku. I expected no less from you.
You know, I don't really feel like I've gotten that much stronger. I bet Lord Beerus could still kick my butt.
Indeed, you're far from ready to best him. However, if you were to push the godly power you've attained even further, you could increase your odds.
Seriously? You're gonna teach me how I can do that, right, Whis?
I am indeed. I really admire your positive attitude. Perhaps that is the true source of your power. Once you're ready, willing, and able to resume your training, please do come find me immediately.
Okay, will do, Whis.
You too, Whis. É isso aí, nós tá se fortalecendo, galera.
Are you ready to begin your training?
Hold on a second.
Oh, Have you gotten all of your affairs in order, then?
Mais forte que Deus Super Saiyajin. Vamos começar.
Don't become overconfident, and don't give your opponent an opening.
Vamos lá!
I could spare some more time for you.
Peraí, galera. Vamos lá.
This is it. Your technique has improved since last time. The pace at which you're learning is impressive, Goku.
Vamos lá.
I've got you and your training to thank for that, Whis.
Uau.
What do you think of this? What do you think? Your movements are clean.
Ei, calma aí, Whis.
Appears to be focused. Interesting. Let's see if you can maintain this until the very end.
Quite a lot. You look like you're not struggling at all. You're crazy strong.
That's enough for this exercise. You've done well.
I feel
Isso!
like I'm starting to get the hang of things.
Quase nível 100%.
I'm impressed with your performance, Goku. You seem capable of visualizing that which lies beyond Super Saiyan God.
Yeah, I think I can figure out the rest on my own. Thanks, Whis.
On to the next task. Now we
Vai, a
need to
próxima
ensure that we
tarefa
can
agora.
bring Vegeta up to your level.
Supa ao seu nível.
After all,
Agora é o
it's
Vegeta.
absolutely paramount that both of you increase your strength and power right now.
Right. Couldn't agree more.
Right.
And I think Vegeta's gonna be just fine. He'll probably master this new power in no time. He's just that good, you know?
Que isso, água sagrada máxima. Agora a gente vai controlar o Vegeta, eu acho. É isso mesmo.
I'm sick and tired of you constantly leaving me in the dust. After Whis' training, I'll be #1.
Vegeta sempre disputando com o Kakaroto quem é o número 1.
Ooh, what is this power? Fortune's finally smiling upon me. Ooh, what is this power? Fortune's finally smiling upon me.
Vamos ver aqui as armas.
It's finally...
Right, now let's get started. Mark my
There.
words. My day is living in Kakaroto's show.
This is the regimen I prepared for you. Wonderful, isn't it?
Superando a fraqueza.
Now then, let's have you break through the walls later. Try to imagine yourself capable of far more than you are now. I'm telegraphing all of your moves.
Vai lá.
Your training won't end unless you truly fight with the intention to defeat me. Your movements are clean, and you appear to be interesting. Let's see if you can maintain this until the very end. Simple strategies won't help you win.
All the power I have is still unstruggled.
Nossa, já pelou.
Your actions are far too tense. Let's try to relax.
Sick of these games.
Good. Let's end things here for now. Well done, Vegeta. Color me impressed. You call yourself...
I still haven't reached yours or Lord Beerus's level. I won't be satisfied.
You always have your nerves wound up in a bunch. This tension will find a way to conquer this shortcoming, and you'll no doubt push your god... Once you're ready to resume your training, please promise to come and find me immediately.
Fine. Got it.
Certo, entendi. Good.
I know you've got what it takes, Vegeta. If I'm not careful, you'll end up surpassing me.
E é Kakaroto que você falou?
I know you've got what it takes, Vegeta. If I'm not careful, you'll end up surpassing me.
Are you ready to begin your training? Your task will be to rely less on your mind and more on your body. Try not to be so tense. Relax and try to remain calm. Thinking of an action first and then performing it is too slow. Best to remember that.
Com tudo. Ah,
I could spare some more time for you, huh?
Out of my face! I can't tell if I'm actually getting stronger or if I'm just wasting my time. Damn it!
There's no need for you to worry, Vegeta. You are getting stronger. Your movements are clean. You appear to be focused.
You're going to regret not taking me seriously.
Okay, let's stop here. Your speed
Okay,
is
let's go.
extraordinary.
I'm more aware of my surroundings. This is what I wanted.
I'm impressed with your performance, Vegeta. You seem capable of visualizing that which lies beyond Super...
My goal is clearer than ever.
All that remains now is to put this new power the two of you have attained to the test and see what you can really do.
Goku and Vegeta, more determined
Goku
than
e
ever to
Vegeta.
push themselves even further, continued their training with Whis. In the end, the two Saiyans had managed to successfully achieve a wonderful and new power.
You're both here. Excellent.
Estão os dois aqui, excelente.
Yep, let's get right
Excellent.
into it while it's all still fresh in my mind.
The time has come to find out if you've actually attained a power that goes beyond a
Uh-huh.
god, Kakarot.
I very much look forward
Estou
to
muito
seeing the
ansioso para
fruits
ver
of
os
your
resultados do
labor,
seu
gentlemen.
treinamento. Trabalho, senhores. Vamos à nova transformação. Goku, Vegeta, se transforma em Super Saiyajin Blue. Uou! Ha! Isso! conseguiram.
Man, this form takes a lot out of you. Even more than Super Saiyan God.
It's probably because we've become Super Saiyans while in our godlike state. Still, this power is incredible.
Que poder incrível.
Look at that! Your efforts have finally paid off!
Whew. Though, it looks like we can't stay in this form for very long.
Which means we haven't completely mastered it yet.
Não dominamos.
You two
Lógico,
have
a
really
primeira
surprised
transformação.
me. I must admit, I wasn't expecting you to reach this level in such a short period of time.
You know, I'm pretty surprised too, if I'm honest. I had no idea I could go beyond Super Saiyan God.
É.
You're not the only one who pulled it off. Seems your days at the top might be numbered.
Indeed. You two have both managed to become Super Saiyans with the power of Super Saiyan gods. That's a rather cumbersome way of putting it. Let's see. Your hair becomes blue while in this form, so
Super Saiyajin
perhaps
Blue.
Super Saiyan Blue would be more suitable.
Limite de nível de personagem aumentado. De 250 para 300. O limite de nível para o personagem que aparecer no jogo principal vai aumentar de 250 para 300. Ajuste. Os personagens ficarem mais fortes. Se preparem para todos os novos e poderosos inimigos que
Super Saiyan
espreitam.
Blue, huh? That'll be easy to remember.
Now that you've achieved this power, I think all that remains is to put said power to the test. I want you to engage me in battle using all of your power. Up for it? This should help you come to terms with your new form.
O poder milagroso do Deus Super Saiyajin Blue.
All right, let's do this.
Achim!
Magnificent! Well now, let's begin. Now you two, this is certainly not the time to squabble. What's this? You're adapting better than I expected.
This feels great. I think I'm getting the hang of it.
This is wonderful! You've advanced so much you're like completely different people.
I still got a lot more in me. You haven't seen anything yet.
Fascinating. What do you say we conclude the training session here?
Isso! Nível 161, finalmente.
You two are phenomenal. It seems the Super Saiyan Blue form is becoming second nature to the pair of you. Should the two of you learn to work together, I dare say you could possibly go toe-to-toe with even the likes of Lord Beerus.
Whoa, really? Well, to
Whoa,
tell you the
really?
truth, I'd much rather fight him by myself.
I'm the one taking Lord Beerus down, and I'll do it without your help.
Oh, bother. This intense rivalry between you two is proving most troublesome.
So, Whis, could you maybe train me some more? I really want to master this Super Saiyan Blue power.
It would be my pleasure.
What? I'm not going to let you hog all of Whis' time. I'm training too.
Todo o tempo do Whis.
At least you two see eye to eye on something. Very well. Let's press onward, shall we?
Água sagrada máxima 5. E agora? Após o regime de treinamento exaustivo, Goku e Vegeta finalmente alcançam a forma do Deus Super Saiyajin Azul, que possui um poder maior que o Deus Super Saiyajin comum. Enquanto os dois seguem treinando para aperfeiçoar esse novo poder, a Terra é visitada por alguns convidados indesejados.
Meanwhile, on
E agora?
Earth,
Quando isso na Terra?
Gohan's calm, carefree life was interrupted when he was summoned by Piccolo to engage in some grueling training.
All right, take a breather.
Whew. I haven't done anything this intense in a long time.
You're a lot sloppier than before. Seems like these peaceful times have made you soft.
Yeah, sorry about that. It's just, my mom keeps giving me a hard time about my studies.
Huh. I don't care about your studies. You can't neglect your training. That's the one thing you should never skimp on.
Yeah, you're right. I'll try to work some into my schedule when I can.
We're getting right back into it after this break, and it won't be nearly as easy as...
Tô sentindo que
What
chegar.
was that?
Some sinister energy is making its way here. It can't be him, can it?
Yeah, I know this energy all too well. It's definitely him.
Freeza.
The large source of energy Gohan and Piccolo sensed belonged to none other than Freeza and his men. That's right, Freeza had finally made his arrival to the planet Earth.
I've waited far too long for this moment. That said, it seems I have a little time to kill before Goku makes his arrival. Perhaps I should have some fun while I wait.
Unbeknownst to Gohan and Piccolo, they weren't the only ones who sensed the arrival of Freeza and his menacing troops. Krillin, Tien, and the others, sensing the sudden appearance of an evil energy, made their way to Gohan and Piccolo's location.
A lot of energy levels are cropping up all over the place. They're on the move.
Yeah, we better hurry after them.
Yeah, there's a lot of them. We'll have to split up and handle each group separately.
Got it.
Olha. Formando grupos. O que é isso? Que Gohan e Piccolo liderarão duas equipes separadas. E sua tarefa é decidir quais personagens entrarão em cada equipe. Após formar as equipes, você não poderá buscar, então verifique que seus personagens escolhidos têm nível suficiente. Forma a equipe de Gohan. Vou escolher. Vou escolher Tenshinhan. E Kuririn. A equipe de Piccolo. Goten e Trunks. Não. São muito fracos os guerreiros. Isso, equipe formadas, né?
Let's go.
They're more powerful than we originally thought. Stay sharp.
Right. Yeah.
And so, the fight with the Freeza force had officially begun.
Inimigos para dar de ordens.
They're moving all over the place. Time to put a stop to this. All of these goons are packing some serious power.
Vamos aumentar o poder do Piccolo, né? Vamos aumentar o poder aqui do Trunks.
If we don't reduce their numbers, they could overwhelm us. Why is this even happening?
Ver se tem algum
How could
treinamento.
Freeza come back? Well now, this could be fun. Well now,
Vamos enfrentar
this
essa
could be
horta.
fun. I'll make quick work of it. I'm ready whenever you are. Let's do this. Unleash your
Vamos lá, senhor Piccolo. Uou. Super Saiyajin Deus. Kamikaze, ataque! Yeah! Super consegue se defender de tudo.
Galactic Donuts! That's a cheap trick!
Surto! Vamos acabar com essa outra horta.
I'll make quick work of you. I'm ready whenever you are. Let's do this. Unleash your inner power.
Vamos lá! Acabar com o exército Freeza!
I'll make quick work of you.
Vamos lá!
Special
Marca contra Só isso? Vamos ver aqui, esse Piccolo não tem. Aumentei os poderes.
Well now, this could be fun. That's it. I'm not about to let freaks this powerful just run wild.
Ó, mais um Howard aqui.
I'll make quick work of you. I'm ready whenever you are. Let's do this. Inner power.
Yeah!
I'll make quick
Vou
work.
acabar com isso, contei. Durante.
Special beam cannon.
Uau, acabamos com isso. Vamos ver os inimigos que tem aqui. Dodória.
Let's go.
Vamos lutar.
I'll make quick work of you.
Vamos lá, contei isso.
Special beam cannon.
Fine, I'll knock you around a bit.
Hora da fusão. Vamos lá, Senhor Piccolo. fraco, hein?
Me. You're a fool to willingly go to your death.
Vai no meu laço, Totoro. O surto. Vamos mexer com Super Cotex. Yeah! Toma, bicho, Goten!
Hey, no fair! Galactic Donuts! That's a cheap trick!
Super ataque fantasma. Vamos lá acabar com esse, meu Piccolo. Isso, conseguimos.
What is this?
Ah, que luta, hein? Ai, aguenta firme, Gohan.
That'll do.
Agora a gente controla o Gohan.
Frieza's pretty far away, and I'm sensing a lot of other strong energies. I recognize these energy sources. Never thought I'd have to fight those guys again. All right, better hurry.
Ai. Dun 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 dun.
What's Freeza doing here on Earth?
Ah, tem muitos keys ainda aqui, ó.
This will be a cinch.
O que tem aqui?
This one might be tough to take down. His energy isn't like it was before. It's a lot stronger. Let's do this.
Let's do this.
All right, I'll fight you. Here I go!
Vamos lá. Tornarem, vamos lá. Kamehameha. Ah! Uou.
Here I go.
Ser liberado.
Vai,
ok. Nossa, cara. Vamos acabar com todos vocês.
Let's do this.
Let's do this.
All right, I'll fight you.
No. Hey, baby.
Solar flare.
Vai, ok.
All right, I'll fight you.
Vamos lá. Uau.
Here I go.
Vai lá.
Now this is beyond the level of Super Saiyan. Here I go!
Vamos pegar ele. Já era. Isso!
This will be a cinch. Let's do this. All right, I'll fight you. Here I go.
O Durante, já, vamos lá.
Here I go!
Que batalha, hein, amigo? Vamos lá naquele ponto do mapa.
Hey, this looks like some high-grade stuff.
Ai, ai.
This is incredible. It's giving off a ton of energy. Hey, this looks like some high-grade stuff. This one might be tough to take down.
Vamos enfrentar vocês. Forças especiais que New.
Hey!
O reencontro. Ninguém achou graça.
Hi!
Nope.
You jerk!
Bora.
Hey!
Andando.
Fine by me.
Ha!
Vamos lá. Oh!
All right, I'll fight you.
Vamos lá. Kamehameha. Ah!
This ought to be over real quick.
Enter the blue hurricane.
Acabamos com vocês,
Enter
Super Saiyajin
the red
Deus.
magma. Here I go.
Tudo. Ei, calma aí, cara. Vai, ok.
Here I go.
Oh!
Stronger.
Now, solar fire.
Fortunately, we're stronger too.
All right, I'll fight you.
Oh, uai. Me. Ah!
Recum of the Ginyu Force! Huh!
The Ginyu Force is ready for battle.
Melhor ainda. Hora do Super Saiyajin Deus.
Now, solar fire.
Capitão Guinil, agora você vai ver.
This is beyond the level of Super Saiyan.
Vocês estavam mortos e eles têm continuado a treinar, hein? Isso da saga no tornamento dele. É isso aí!
Woohoo!
I don't believe it!
É óbvio que o Gohan ficou muito mais forte. Enquanto vocês estavam acomodados, fortes, os guerreiros aí continuar treinando. O Freeza agora treinou, ele tá mais forte que antes.
Gohan and his team arrived at the source of the very powerful energy. At nearly the same exact time, Piccolo and his team appeared and met up with Gohan's people. Before the warriors was a spaceship, one that was all too familiar to all of them.
That's Frieza's spaceship. I'm guessing the guys we fought earlier came here in that.
Seems like you also had to deal with Frieza's men.
Yeah. They were a lot stronger than the last time we fought them.
I'm sensing some seriously strong energy from that ship. It's incredible.
Freeza.
Once again, you have done remarkably well in besting Ginyu and his men. Seems it's difficult to find good minions in this universe. I must commend you on a job well done. And what's more is that you've come to greet me. I'm fairly impressed.
Freeza tá na primeira forma, né?
Well, if it isn't the Namekian who attempted to fight me.
É.
Oh, and you would be Goku's son, would you not? Now, where might Goku be?
My dad's off somewhere far away training. He's not here.
How unfortunate. I was hoping to kill him and blast this backwater planet into a million pieces.
What the hell are you doing here? What do you even want?
Oh, is it not painfully obvious? Must I spell it out for you? Revenge. Nothing more,
Vingança,
nothing
nada
less.
mais.
Goku must suffer for what he's done to me.
I had a feeling it was something like that.
The utter humiliation that Saiyan caused me. I will not allow his actions to go unpunished. Unfortunately, he doesn't seem to be here. No matter. Knowing him as well as I do, he'll eventually show his face. However, I am not a patient man. I don't intend to just sit here and wait for him. Perhaps I'll warm up by torturing you first.
Ah, ele vai lutar.
This power he's hiding. Frieza's far stronger than he was the last time we fought him.
O que ele vai aprontar? Gohan e os outros os enfrentam em batalha, e logo descobre que o exército de Freeza está muito mais forte do que antes. Para piorar a situação, Freeza ressurgiu e fez saber que ele também está muito mais poderoso do que se poderia imaginar. Ah, com certeza, né? Acontece que o Freeza é uma raça superior, né? O pouco ele treina, pouco tempo, ele já se torna mais forte.
I think that's a good stopping point.
Certo.
This Super Saiyan Blue transformation is getting a lot easier to manage.
I intend to perfect this form, and once I do, you'll be the one in my shadow, Kakaroto.
There's no way I'm letting that happen.
Simply marvelous. You two have improved leaps and bounds. It's most impressive. Continue at this pace and... Oh, it seems I have a call from Earth.
Whis.
Please, excuse me for a moment. Why, hello, Bulma. Have you managed to concoct yet another tasty... What's that?
Did he say Bulma?
I see. I'll be sure to pass your message on to Goku and Vegeta.
Goku e
Sending my
Vegeta.
love and all that. Take care.
Something happened on Earth?
Well, it appears Freeza is alive and has invaded Earth.
Freeza
with his
está vivo,
troublesome
invadiu a Terra
army.
com ele.
What? Frieza's
What?
alive!
Freeza está vivo?
Huh? Why in the world would Frieza choose to do this right now?
Beats me. I haven't the foggiest.
Beats me.
If I had to venture a guess, I'd say he's there to get revenge on you, Goku.
Ah, Lord Beerus!
Oh, Beerus. Ah,
Did
Lord
you
Beerus.
enjoy your nap?
It was
Yeah,
fine,
yeah.
but I would have slept even better if I hadn't gone to bed on an empty stomach.
Even if he is seeking some sort of revenge, Trunks and Goten should be more than enough to put someone of Frieza's power level in
Alguém
their
com o nível do
place.
poder de Freeza.
Oh, I'm afraid that doesn't appear
Acho
to
que
be the
infelizmente não é
case.
bem o caso.
What do you mean?
O que
I'm
quer
not
dizer?
privy to the specifics, but Bulma informed me that the
Os
others
outros estavam
seemed
muito
rather
preocupados em
concerned when they ventured to the battlefield. Earth may be in more trouble than
Mas
you
onde
realize.
você se mexe?
Maybe he's undergone some sort of
Tem nada para
training,
preparar uma
preparation for his grudge match against you, Goku.
Goku.
I'm not really sure what's going on, but we'd better not waste any more time and head back to Earth fast.
Yes, indeed. Shall I transport you straight there?
Aham. Galera,
Wow, Freeza, huh? Can't believe I actually get to fight him again.
vamos fazer um treino aqui com um poder novo. Vamos ver aqui. Ah, poder Super Saiyajin Deus. Aí sim, hein? Vou dar. Antes de a gente prosseguir, a gente continua na próxima parte. Só vou testar aqui. Pera aí. Essa DLC é curta mesmo. Já fizemos mais da metade dela, então. Deixa eu ajustar aqui. Deixa eu também colocar o poder do Vegeta no poder. É o novo poder Deus Super Saiyajin. Vamos ver aqui, tá escrito Super. A sua transformação. Super Saiyajin com 15 de vida e ganha efeitos de suporte, aumenta o dano causado. Tá. Entendi. O que o Whis vai falar?
What? Aren't you heading back to Earth? What? Aren't you heading back to Earth?
Everyone's waiting for us. Gotta head back now.
What are we still doing here? We need to get back to. What are we still doing here? We need to get back to Earth now!
What? Aren't you heading back to Earth?
Galera, deixa eu... Vamos ver o que tem no livro aqui. Poder Deus Super Saiyajin, ó. Quando os 5 Saiyajin de coração puro entregam sua energia a outro Saiyajin puro, eles formam o lendário salvador da raça Saiyajin, o Deus Super Saiyajin. Embora Bills estivesse contendo, Goku conseguiu usar esse poder para enfrentar o Deus da destruição de igual para igual. Goku, após se transformar em um Super Saiyajin com o poder de um Deus Super Saiyajin, graças ao treinamento com Whis, Goku conseguiu controlar a forma de Deus Super Saiyajin para atingir um poder ainda maior. Ótimo, legal. Vegeta pode se transformar em um Super Saiyajin com o poder de um Deus Super Saiyajin. Graças ao treinamento com Whis e a veloz rivalidade com Goku, ele conseguiu alcançar um poder ainda maior que o do Deus Super Saiyajin. Vamos ver os vídeos aqui que falta. Já tá salvo. Galera, eu vou me despedindo por aqui. Acho que já tem 1h30 de campanha. A gente continua na próxima parte, tá? Pra zerar essa DLC. Então, opa, desligar aqui, não dá direitos autorais. Então a gente se vê no próximo capítulo de Dragon Ball Z Kakaroto. Peço pra deixar no like, não vai custar nada. E quem quiser participar da comunidade de esporte, quem quiser apoiar o canal com um link de uma doação, também tá aí. O Pix, quem quiser ajudar, né? O código Pix, quem quiser ajudar, e também participar da comunidade de esporte. Então, galera, vou me despedindo por aqui. Até a próxima parte. Falou, fui, Dragon Ball Z Kakaroto.